Greetings and hello pixel artists, this is Finn Mercury. In the next couple of seconds, I'll be showing you how to make your glitch effects look like this. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this futuristic health bar since it fits the theme quite well. The first thing you want to do is to set up the number of frames you want for the glitch effect to happen. For me, I like to make it a 3 to 4 frame animation, 100 milliseconds each. In this part, you will be selecting different areas of the icon or the drawing and just move it from its original position till you have this random slicing effect, and repeat it for each frame of the glitch duration. This is an optional step, but I feel like it adds a ton to the realism of the animation, which is to select the first frame and color some of its parts with a bright color. For me, I have chosen white, but feel free to choose any color of your choice. This one is a crucial part of the glitch effect, which is to add the blue and red distortion by the end of the animation. The first thing you want to do is to duplicate your drawing layers twice, one for the blue distortion and the other for the red one. Reduce their opacity to around 70, and then go to the last two frames and change their position till you feel comfy with the result, like I'm doing right here. And with that, you'll have a nice glitch animation like this one. Thank you for watching.